Top 10. Best golf umbrellas. Options put you off from playing. That being said, being out in the open and having to cover yourself. Number 10. Team Golf NCAA. You the option to be able to choose a design from any NCAA team, so that you are going to be able to proudly support the team that you love when you are out there on the course. It's a 62-inch umbrella, which is the ideal size for most people, as it is going to be able to give custom NCAA designs. 62 inches wide. Automatic opening. Number 9. Athletico 68-inch automatic. Stylish design, but also the standard double canopy, which is going to be able to give you that wind protection that you need when you're out there on an open course. It's available in either 62 or 68 inches depending on your own personal preference and that personal choice. Ergonomic rubber grip. Different size options. Impressive guarantee. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best golf umbrellas or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. GustBuster Classic 48-inch. Solution for you, as it has a slightly smaller size than the other options we have listed at 48 inches. That brings it close to the regular umbrellas that you will see, but it has other features which make it ideal for golf. It is highly wind resistant and has been proved. Compact size. Reinforced fiberglass shaft. Various design options. Number 7. Rainstopper 68-inch Oversize. That is able to stay very light due to the fact that it has a fiberglass shaft as well as its fiberglass ribs. There are a few designs available, allowing to choose one which fits your style. This is a very large umbrella, as it is 68 inches wide in order to give fiberglass shaft and ribs. Huge 68-inch size. Durable nylon fabric. Number 6. Procella Golf Umbrella. Is wide to give you a lot of rain protection and is another product which features the important double canopy. It is incredibly strong and an umbrella that is going to be able to last you for a very long time, but has a limited lifetime replacement guarantee should anything go wrong. Despite all those features, it is an umbrella. Great design. Highly durable. Lightweight and portable. Number 5. Team Golf NFL 62 inches. And this is going to be the perfect umbrella for them, or it would also make a brilliant gift. You are able to get it in the design of any of your favorite football teams to enable you to take your support out there onto the golf course. Despite having that fun design where you are going to be able to pick your team. NFL team colors. Nylon fabric. Automatically opens. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best golf umbrellas or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. EEZ-Y 58-inch portable. One that has a stylish design, which will make you look great while you are out there on the course. There are plenty of different color options available, including the standard black color, and a much brighter yellow, among others. It features the vented double canopy that you are going to expect. Great color options. Stylish design. Compact folding size. Number 3. BAGAIL Golf Umbrella. Available in different color options, but you are also able to get it with different design options too. There are 3 different size options available depending on your needs and what you want it to carry. The canopy is going to be both windproof and sunproof with a durable fabric that is still going to be very light. Different design options. Comfortable handle. Lifetime replacement guarantee. Number 2. G4 Free 68-inch automatic inches in order to give you a huge amount of protection. This is one of the best folding golf umbrellas on the market, which is highly rated by those who have used it. It's available in a large range of colors and not only gives you full waterproof protection. Available as 62 or 68 inch. Windproof design. A range of color options. Number 1. ACEIken Golf Umbrella. Umbrella for golf, which has a great range of features that are going to help to keep you dry while you're out there on the course. It's also available in a few different color options of black, blue and red. It is made from durable nylon and has a 62-inch canopy to give you a lot of protection. 62-inch size. Automatically opens. Double canopy. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best golf umbrellas or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.